What's up, YouTube VIPs? I'm Jamie, this is Kelly, and this is Jess, and this is 15 minutes of super simple, easy to follow, but really high energy, kind of like 80s aerobics type style with 90s and 2000s hip hop vibe. I hope that you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. Make sure you check the link in the description and head on over to our website to see all of our other workouts, and comment below if you have a request of a style of workout or maybe a theme that you would like, and maybe yours will show up on YouTube. All right, so we're just gonna start with a little step touch. All the hip hop vibes. Come on. Little new school, little old school. 2 and 2. We're just warming up. 4, 3. We're gonna take it back to those singles. Get your heart rate up before we start. Get down. All right, we're gonna start with the first move. Toe tap to jack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack. Jack.
When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece. That's another song. Ice in the VV. Now she gonna get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji.
Stay here. Again. 4 more times.
They go straight to the mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha.
Hey, hey, 2 more. We're gonna add that next move on in 4, 3, straight right to the right. 1. Hold it here and pump it. Let's go. Up. Yes. Again. Let's go. Up. One more time right. One more time left. We're gonna go back to the top with those toe taps. 4, 3, 2, up. 2 times right here. Now grapevine, pump it. Hey, hey. Same thing again. Toe tap. Up. Hey, hey. Grapevine. Up. All right, new move, run it up. Take it back. Again, up. All right, we're gonna add some knees to this. 4, 3, 2, up. Hit that hard. Come on. We're gonna put those 2 moves together. 4, 3, 2. Right here. Knee, knee. Hey. 2 more times. Then we put it all together. 1 more time. Here we go. Right from the top. 4, 3, toe tap. Let's go. Grapevine. Up. Run it up. 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 Run it up. We're gonna go again from the top. Toe tap. Hey, hey. Shake it, shake it. Get ready, run it up. Come on. Run it. Let's go. 1 more time from the top. Then we're adding on. Run it. Let's go. All right, new move. Little chance to breathe. Roll, roll. Left. To the right. Again, keep it going. Hey. 1 more time. Grapevine. Pump it. Run it. Let's go. Come on. Hip circles. 3, 2, 1. Again, right here. Hold it. When we put it all together next time, you're gonna have 4 rounds, and we're gonna turn it into a circle. Hold it. Just take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, toe tap. Hey, 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 hey. All right, now we go from the top. Toe tap. I just start the top without being grapevine to the right. Hey, hey, get down nice and low. Run it up, come on. Take it back. Hey, come on, come on. Here's where we add that turn. 4, 3, right hip. Stay put. Crisscross jack. Stay put. Now we turn it in a circle. Yeah. Now we start from the top. Toe tap. Let's go. How you doing, girls? Come on. Grapevine. Pump it. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Run it up. 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Run it up one more time. Hey. Hip roll. Take a breath. Back it out. Now we turn it. Let's go. Hey. Toe tap from the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Hey. Grapevine. 4, 3, 2. Pump it. Run it up. Hey. Pop it back. Knees in, knees out. Come on. Come on. Hey. Get ready for those hip rolls. 4, 3, 2. Take a breath. Let's go. Turn it out. Toe taps. Walk it out. Walk it out. Run it. Let's go.
If you say real talk, I probably won't trust you.
Turn
if you
that
want to go to war, the gun's my pleasure. Even Jesus had 12 disciples on the level.
One more set all together.
You don't want now, nigga, 3,000. I'm like you're new to this part of town. The white tee, well, to me, look like a nightgown. Make your mama proud, take that thing
Run it up, last time, come on, give it all you got, let's go.
Man that you are, or what you could be. I can give a damn about your car, but then
come on, let's go.
If it was considered a classic before the drastic change in production when cars were metal instead of plastic value.
We finished here.
What I'm talking about. Take 2 of these and walk it out. You'll be the reason they talk it out. You can't be the king of the parking lot forever. Not saying I'm the best, but if they find something
4,
better, I am
3.
no fear.
Remember when we started?
Until then, I walk it out, 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 I wish I walk it out, I wish I walk it out, I wish I walk it out, baby, I
Back to singles.
I walk it out the bank with a lot of zeros.
4, 3, 2. Take it down even more.
They made my 40,000. I do that in a month. I'm on resorts and islands. I made them walk it out. Yeah, it's me again. But I'm with Jones.
Pulling down. Get your heart rate down. Take deep breaths. You did it. That was fast and serious.
So y'all can get the nappy. Gangsters, they do they dance. They do it to my song. See, I was up in Cali, walking it out.
We're gonna finish with that stanky leg. Like Travis Kelce. 4, 3, 2.
Nationwide,